Mango says, hands down, the absolute best data science and ML content creator out there. Never seen such enriching content. I'm lucky I found your channel. Wow. Wow. What a compliment. Thanks so much for that. I appreciate you saying that. That's really nice of you. Yeah, I mean, like I've said before, I'm passionate about this stuff. You know, I'm driven by passion, and two, I have the life experience for this, right? I think a lot of the content creators out there don't have that. A lot of them are basically faking it, right? Which is sad, but that's part of my motivation to do this, because I don't like misinformation out there. I want to help the next generation of data scientists. You know, like I'm later on in my career, right? I mean, I'm hoping to retire here in a few years. I'm an old guy, right? I want to go out and play golf, not be streaming with you guys the rest of my life, right? So that's what drives me. You know, again, this is me reaching my hand back, trying to help the next generation so that the profession can live on.